That's perfect. It's Friday, right? So, you know what? For my vlog, I'm just doing an unboxing. How about that? I may be getting a Walmart one later on. Today, it will be, pads for back here. Have more comfort, you know. It's a Budk order, if y'all couldn't tell. You have to realize, I will order a lot from Budk. So, yeah. There should be 3 items. Yeah. I figure I should do at least the first unboxing for the channel. Right? Opening today is with the SOL knife I got from the origin kit. I love this thing. Yeah, that'd be fun if they put a Budk catalog in here. That would be funny as heck. It should be 3 things. Let's see. Yep. A fire starter necklace, which I actually really wanted. So. And 2 monkey fists. Yeah, one of these has been given. Is going to be given to someone. Let's see if I can get this. The small ball. This is not going to work because it's like it's heck. It's a small ball. On a thing they can. Handcrafted in China by the finest minds of Chinese. I believe that blooper in there too. But yeah, first thing I was excited about was this. I saw this in a SHTF mission box. You know, right? This is basically a... Where'd it go? Okay, here we go. Shouldn't this be more up? Yes, it should. It's a necklace. With the striker on it, and a, fire starter. I think I got the wrong way. I don't know. It probably doesn't matter. But anyway, you pull this up, and you I'm gonna be keeping this like this because why not? Right? Oh, y'all can't see for nothing. That's why I'm just gonna do it right here. Anyway, yeah, I know I can't zoom out. Anyway, here's the striker, here's the ferro rod, and paracord. Apparently, very nice. 2, I think. I'm gonna just drag this because screw it. So that, yeah. I may actually put this on my other channel also. Wow, that just screwed that up, didn't it? Let's try it. Oh, God. Oh, well. Bloopers, whatever. Anyway. Yeah. But yeah. Now, you know what? I'm going to put this on both this channel and my EDC Night channel. And to the person who's like, you know, that commented about putting it all over the thing, I record a phone. Yeah, I realize that. Because I've asked, you know, what, you know, wow. Let me move up a little bit. Just, move back a little bit just to see. If that'll work. Here's the thing. So yeah, that kind of works. Of course, that has to be like You know what? Yeah, I like that there works. Anyway. If you're wondering, the BK order number for the fire starter necklace is CK0348. Which I probably can't see. The Monkey Fist, which has a steel ball, which says, you know, its BK number is UC2844. For United Cutlery, it's Elite Forces Professional Protection. And yeah, this is heavy for what it is. And of course, free wrapping paper. That's the most important part. Free wrapping paper. Oh, yeah. So yeah, I wanted this necklace anyway because I saw it and I was like, I really want that necklace. That's pretty darn cool. Especially because, like, yeah, it's like this. Especially because I can do this. Or whatever. So yeah. But yeah, I'm going to upload this to my EDC Knife channel and my Vehicle Life channel because, yeah, I record with the phone. I don't have a stand for the phone because, yeah, when I do unboxings inside, I do it on a pillow. And that's why I don't... Now, I could find a way to do it, but I don't know. Anyway, I want to open this. I want to open it from the top. Okay. It says the Elite Forces Monkey Fist is the ultimate personal protection tool. Often used in the 1800s by sailors and gangs and melees, the Monkey Fist is still used for protection today. The Monkey Fist is tied with heavy-duty paracord. The inner core is constructed to a 710 steel ball, so when needed, this device thwarts your attackers. The paracord loop allows versatility and works great as a keychain or knife fob. If you already carry a heavy knife, a knife that's like not as heavy, like not used to it, why would you do that? It's a small freaking ball too. I mean, geez. Geez. You hit with that, it's like, what the heck? Yeah. Yeah, you didn't know that, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I didn't even know Budk I even had these small boxes. I didn't know. So I'm used to like huge boxes. There you go. Oh, here's the order too. Okay, so the Firestone necklace was on sale. It was like originally 14 something, but I got it for $4.98. And both things were both the Elite Forces Paracord Monkey Fist Black, which is what it says. Cost $6.98, so I think about $13.98 for both. Or $96 anyway. It came out to $18.94, but with $2.10 shipping sales tax, then $10.99, you know, whatever, shipping, processing handling, P&H. I've never actually seen that. It came to $32.03. Was it worth it? No. Yes, I could have got, but it's okay. But yeah. Yeah. Like I said. So yeah. This is just for my EDC channel and all that. EDC Knife channel. I will have some unboxings throughout the whole month. Or unbaggings or whatever Amazon decides to put. Yeah. So yeah. Anyway, those unboxing for the Vehicle Life channel. Peace.